Hello and welcome to a Sierra College student tutorial on pay to print. Students may use printers on campus for printing course materials, assignments, etc. for a small fee. At the time of this recording during the fall 2022 semester, the cost for printing is 9 cents per page and printing is limited to black and white only. Let's start with adding funds to your account. If you are new to Sierra or would like a refresher on adding funds to your account, please continue watching. First, we will log in to MySierra. On the Home tab, scroll down to Parking, Printing, ID card, and ASSC sticker. In the next window, click on Add Funds to my Pay to Print account. A new tab or window will open and display a login for pCounter. This is the pay to print system. Enter your MySierra username and password. Next, you will see a confirmation of your current balance and a drop-down to select the amount you would like to add to your account. The minimum is $3 and the maximum is $10. Remember, printing costs 9 cents per page. A double-sided page of printing would cost 18 cents. Once you decide how much you would like to add to your account, click on the PayPal checkout button. If you do not have PayPal, don't worry. You will be able to select an option to pay with a credit or debit card on the following screen. Here, you will be able to enter either your PayPal account information or your credit or debit card information. Once there are funds on your account, you will be able to print while on campus. Before you print, make sure all of your print settings are the way you want by using a print preview. If you need to make changes, be sure to do so prior to clicking on print. When you submit a print job, an additional dialog box will appear. Once more, enter your MySierra username and password and click Print. The dialog box will confirm with you the current balance on your account, how many pages are included in the current print job, and the charge you are about to incur on your pay to print account.